Good morning. Happy Thanksgiving. Today's November 28, 2024. This is your Thanksgiving special video. It is 5:45 in the morning. In this video, we're going to go over Ethereum and when do I think altcoin season will begin. So it's a very important video. I'm sure a lot of you will like it. So let's begin.
You are now streaming the Wolfgang Finance channel, where we cover our crypto portfolio and technical analysis.
There are a lot of similarities between Bitcoin and Ethereum. In my honest opinion, currently Ethereum is undervalued. There's potentially a lot of room for it to grow, maybe even outperform Bitcoin in the next maybe 4 to 6 months. I know that sounds kind of crazy to say because everybody loves Bitcoin, but Bitcoin has had its time to shine, and the altcoin season is pretty stagnant. It should be time for it to move, which we'll go over it right now. So if you look at the chart, this is Bitcoin. In our last video, we talked about the pitchfork analysis and the cup and handle pattern. So there's something very similar happening with Ethereum. But let's just look at Bitcoin really fast. As I said on my last video, we are overvalued on the pitchfork. We should retrace, or at least in my opinion, to get an entry into Bitcoin, we should be on the median line or under it. So right here we have Ethereum, and as you can see, we have a pitchfork in effect. It tagged it here, which means that now this pitchfork is in effect. And as you can see, remember, once it tags it, it has like an 80% probability it's going to tag it again. And it usually continues on that trend until it's broken out of the second deviation line, which is this one. It held support. And it's currently still in effect. So this is good. So as we saw with Bitcoin, we were way up here just when we're comparing pitchforks, okay? Comparing pitchforks, we're still in an undervalued state with Ethereum. So if we go from the second between 1 and 2 deviations under to above, let's just look at the potential profits here. Today's date. Okay, let's go 90 days out. Let's say we were to tag it. Okay, that would be 166% profit. More than doubling your money, right? Pretty good stuff. Now, again, let's go look at where Bitcoin is right now. We're a little overvalued. Let's say Bitcoin was to go up from here and stay within the pitchfork, right? Somewhere in the middle. That's only 25% profit. My opinion, Ethereum's looking like a better buy at the moment. As long as the pitchfork is still in effect, so which we noticed that it is. There's also another comparison that I would like to make, which is the cup and handle. Guys, if you look at the macro aspect, since we got into the bear market, we went down, right? This is a beautiful cup. And here we go on the handle. So buying Ethereum here is essentially like buying Bitcoin down here at around 60,000, right? Because we're between 1 and 2 deviations here, 60,500. Then we made the move up and we 60% our money really fast. This was like maybe within a month. Okay. And if you compare it to Ethereum, right now, we're still within the cup and handle. Now, for it to be long-term move up, we need to break this neckline in Ethereum, which we haven't. So there's a lot of things that needs to happen with Ethereum. Again, it's a higher risk, but at the same time, it's a higher reward if it plays out. And again, I think Bitcoin's overextended. Ethereum should be catching up, and altcoins should be moving as well. So if we look at this chart, let's go ahead and draw. Okay, from here to here, that could be our cup. I mean, it's kind of ugly, right? because we had a more drastic move down here, and then we slowly went up. And let's do the handle, right? This is currently right here. I mean, there's different ways we can draw this. It's a little bit more sloppy, but at the same time, we have a bit more TA. For example, we have this ascending support line, right? So we started down here, your support, support, support. It just keeps on riding up. Will it tag it again? I don't think so, because we have a pitchfork in effect. See, this is a beautiful pitchfork. We can, if it does tag it, we could probably even draw another pitchfork. See, because here's our swing low, here's our swing high, and then here's our swing low. And this pitchfork is even more aggressive. This is, yeah, I would stick with the original one that I drew. This one should be fine. If we draw another pitchfork on this swing low, swing high, swing low, it's too aggressive as it is. I mean, this is already with this more conservative pitchfork, we're looking at over 150% profit within the next 3 months. If the neckline breaks, I mean, you can let's go ahead and draw the neckline up here just to be on the safe side. Yeah, let's go off this peak here, right here. See, this is not, because these are just wicks. This is a closing. All right, so the bottom should be right there. Actually, no, the bottom should be over here. So, oops, did I do? Let's just draw this. I mean, that gets ugly. But yeah, this close should be our bottom. This close here, that should be our bottom. That looks nice. Beautiful TA. This is great stuff. This is what we want to see when we're going to get in the market. Okay, so there's our neckline right there. Beautiful cup and handle. TA doesn't get any better than that. So again, let's do the value difference and then a percent difference and see what our targets can be. So here's the close all the way to the neckline. That's 320. Oh, well, first let's go off the value. $3,000 difference right there. $3,000. If it breaks the neckline here, $3,000 profit would be right there. 7K, 7,055. So $7,000 would be right here. Okay. So that should be our given target if it breaks out, right? If it breaks out, it's like, okay, we're going to $7,000. Now let's look at our percent. 320%. This is a more aggressive target. Oh. Okay, 320%. You got it right here. 16. Let's just round it to 17,000. $17,000. Holy cow. Okay, that's our more aggressive. That's our range. Once this cup and handle breaks, this should be our given target where we're going to reach hopefully soon, maybe within the next 3 months. I mean, look at it. It's not that much compared to everything that it's done already moving up, but we want it to break up. And this goes to my next point, which is altcoin season. I think Ethereum has to lead the way for altcoin season to be happening. And in order to do that, we need to break this cup and handle. Once this is broken, I think it's a clear indication that the rest of the market is ready to join and to make the move up. So, and we're really close. We're really close. Can it still go down? Yeah, I mean, there's room for it to go down, but it's very minimal if it stays within the pitchfork. If it goes near the top and then drops 15%, that's nothing. We have so much room to play with on the upside of this pitchfork. This is great. This is great stuff. I mean, Ethereum's looking really good. I mean, this is great. I'm going to open a trade on Ethereum because there's so much potential for Ether. And once this breaks, I'm going to really look into the altcoin season, even those coins that everyone talks about, like Dogecoin and all this other crap. But This is looking great, guys. So there's other things we can look at. For example, total three is a market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I guess I drew this a while back. So right here we have a beautiful pitchfork. So total three, we're a bit overextended, right? This is excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. But like I was saying, Ethereum's undervalued. So maybe it is a good thing to be inside Ethereum, to have a trade on Ethereum. So this is excluding Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others is crypto total market excluding the top 10 coins. So this is more of the altcoin market here. All right. So, hey, what if this, right, does, oh, I'm sorry. Look at this. This is a beautiful cup and handle. Are you kidding me? Wait, let's go see total three. Do we have a cup and handle in total three? Technically we do, and it looks like it's breaking out right now. This is great. This is great stuff. So altcoin season, along with Ethereum, is pretty good. But again, this might be overextended. We can see this is a kind of conservative pitchfork here, but it's in effect. It tagged it here, tagged it here, tagged it 3 times already. We're meandering within this pitchfork. It's great. Actually, let me draw this right there. This is okay. Yeah, this is good. There it is, the value there, high, low. Hasn't broken out. Look at that. It's supporting within the pitchfork. Great stuff. Great stuff. Right? Here's our cup. Here's our handle. You guys don't need me to draw. You guys know the deal. This is excluding. Oh, this is total everything. Sorry, not total two. This is with Bitcoin and Ether. Am I missing something? Oh, this is just excluding Bitcoin. So it hasn't started yet. The party hasn't really started. All right. Here's a cup. Here's a handle. It looks like it's about to begin. This is just excluding Bitcoin. Bitcoin already made its move up. It's, as you guys can see, it went parabolic, right? So let's go total three, which is excluding Bitcoin and ETH. Again, right? I mean, no. If this is the neckline, and it just depends. Like, what if we're still in the cup in this one, and the neckline is somewhere up here? Then we got to go down to make the handle. It's a possibility, right? Ooh. It's a possibility. So we got to be flexible with that. We can't just say, "Oh yeah, this is an effect. Look, it broke out." Maybe it hasn't broken out. I think the Ethereum chart is more accurate than this, because this can still go up and then it can make a handle. This looks like a handle, but what if it's just a move up to complete the cup? All right, so let's go to others, which is the altcoin. This one looks more to me. It's so close to the top and it's so beautiful. Cup, handle. Yeah, when this breaks, that should be good. This is following this is not Ethereum included and excluding the top 10, and it's looking great. Let's go back to Ethereum. Let's not get too off topic here. Okay, beautiful cup and handle. Beautiful pitchfork in effect. We're undervalued on the pitchfork, meaning there's so much room up. Let's look at the last time Ethereum had a pattern. All right, so let's go to the end of the last bear market. If you look here, right, in 2018, we had a low, December 2018, and then we had another low during COVID, March, the beginning of COVID, March 2020. You can see this is a double pattern, a double bottom pattern. And if we look at our chart, here's a double bottom pattern chart. Let's just go over the statistics real quick. Decades of research reveal double bottom pattern has 88% success rate in a bull market. Average profit 50%. So pretty good. And let's go ahead, and if we look again after after it broke the neckline, I mean, we went from $300 roughly to $4,000. I mean, do you guys understand how crazy that is within probably a year? let's say this is the breakout, right? Let's just go ahead and go from here. That's over a $1,000%. Great stuff, right? Now we're in the cup and handle pattern. Again, these patterns are powerful. And again, we go to Google. Let's find what it says. Here it is, cup and handle pattern. AI says, according to available data, the cup and handle pattern is technical analysis often cited as having a high success rate, with some studies indicating a roughly 79% chance of bullish exit, with the price objective being reached in around 73% of cases. So good stuff here. 78% of cases, the exit from cup with handle pattern is bullish. So what does this one say down here? 2 decades of trading analysis revealed the cup and handle pattern boasts a 95% success rate. So again, great pattern, guys. Great pattern. That's what we got here. If it breaks, it has to break the neckline, right? And I'm leaning bullish on, and also if you look at the volume, right, our green candles are much larger than our red ones. So the momentum is there. We want it to break out. And from here, we're on cruise control. We're going to reach our conservative target. And hopefully we reach in between more aggressive target around, $10,000. Let's say we go to $10,000 from here. That would be, say, here's 10,000. That would be almost a 200% profit. So that's really good. Let's go ahead and open a trade for Ether. Can it drop from here? Yes, but I really don't care. We have to look at our trades as a risk reward. How much are we willing to lose to make money? All right. So if the pitchfork is going to work out, right? Oh, why am I freezing? Okay. Our loss would be 18-20% approximate. But what can be our profit? 100% if we reach the conservative target, 200%, even 300% our more aggressive target. So risk reward, you want to risk 10-20% in order to double, triple your money. I mean, to me, that's a great risk reward. That's amazing. Yeah, this is the Thanksgiving special. I hope you guys liked the video. Let's go ahead and make a trade here for Ether, right? Here it is, Wolfgang Finance Portfolio. And we want to buy Ether with our US dollar. So we have 270,000. Let's go ahead and buy. Yeah, let's go ahead and buy 10% because altcoin season hasn't started. I could always take profits in the future. Let's do market 10%. 28 November 2024. YouTube. All right, there it is. Canceled, finished, and there it is. So if we ever go to our history, it should be there. And this is our transparency here. We get to see all the trades we made. So here it is, the trade that we just made, 6:07 in the morning. And over here was when I sold it on the first video, Ether, BNB, and when I bought Bitcoin. Okay, this one we could delete. We don't need it. Can I delete it? Okay, probably can't. It's okay. Okay, guys, that's basically it. Probably in the next video, I'll create an X account and an Instagram account because when altcoin season starts, I might not have time to make a video. I might just post it on there, like, hey, I made a trade on Litecoin or on Dogecoin or XRP, and I'll say, I'll post on there how much I bought and essentially review it once I make the video. Like, hey, a few days ago I made this. Yeah, I'm gonna stick to 2 videos a week. So hopefully you guys like this video. Hopefully this makes sense. And yeah, let's hope we all stay positive for the crypto market and see what happens. So thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving. All right, have a good one. I'll make one on the weekend. See you guys then. All right, see you guys later.